Can we see TikTok private account videos? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll figure out if we can see TikTok private accounts video. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take is make sure that your TikTok is updated to its latest version. For that, head over to your App Store and then search for TikTok. After you search for TikTok, open TikTok up and check if there is an update available. If there is an update button instead of the open button, tap on update and update it to the latest version. After that, you can head back and open up your TikTok. After you open up your TikTok, tap on the search bar to search for your account. And after you search for the account, you will find this account is private section right here. Now here you can see that no matter what you do, you cannot actually find your or you cannot actually view any videos of a private account. The only way that you can actually view this is by tapping on the follow button, and after they have accepted your request, you will be able to view that private account's video. And that's the only way, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.